little JJ bird. Are you waiting for your mommy? Is your mommy coming today? Is she coming today? Do you have your little cutie pie skirt on? Yes, you do. JJ. JJ, look at me. Yeah. Yeah, look at you. Look at you. Aren't you the prettiest little girl? Aren't you the prettiest little girl? Huh? Huh? Look at there. Where you gonna go? Where you going? Where you going, huh? Say, I don't know about this jacket. Oh, let's see. I got it itchy. I got it itchy. Yeah, itchy good. Itchy good. Where you gonna go now? What you gonna do now? You see your little sister? She's got a little sweater on. Hello there, little girl. Hi there. Buttercup, Buttercup, Buttercup. Hey, Buttercup. Hey, Buttercup. Look at you getting sleepy. Is it nap time for you? Is it nap time for you? Oh, yeah. Are you getting shy? Are you getting shy, huh? You getting shy? Well, who's sitting next to you? Could it be? Maybe it is. It's your Oskar Doskar brother. And look, he's sleeping. See, he's asleep. Little boy. He's had a hard day running after his ball. And there they are, the fearsome threesome. There they're going to sleep. Except for JJ. She's not too sleepy yet. She's a cutie. Look at her little outfit. Well, is that all you guys got to say? Is that what you got to say, JJ? Is that all you got to say? Huh? Okay. Say goodbye. Say goodbye. And good night.